A year unfolded like a long trail at dawn, soft with footprints, layered with stories. From tiny hands clutching leaves and pebbles to elders pausing, breath deepened by sky. We walked together into learning that could not be rushed. This was not a program measured only by calendars, but a journey shaped by time, by seasons turning, by mud on boots, by moments of quiet where the land did the teaching. We learned the art of slowing down, of listening to the language of wind and soil, of noticing what had always been there. In the laughter of toddlers discovering ants and shadows, we saw beauty unfiltered and whole. In youth learning to read watersheds and trails, we witnessed strength forming, the kind that comes from responsibility, from knowing the earth is not something to conquer, but something to care for. With adults, we held space for remembering that our faith has always called us back to the land, to stewardship, to humility, to gratitude, that tending the earth is an act of worship, and caring for one another is part of that sacred trust. We spoke honestly about climate injustice, not as an abstract crisis, but as lived reality, felt in neighborhoods without trees, in children without access to safe outdoor spaces, in communities bearing the weight of decisions they did not make. And still, we chose hope, rooted not in denial, but in action. Through shared meals, shared hikes, shared labor, community building emerged naturally, not forced, not rushed, but grown like a garden tended with patience. Each gathering became an invitation to belong, to learn, to lead. This year taught us that when people return to the land, they return to themselves and to each other. And in that return, there is healing, there is courage, there is a future worth protecting.